I got these gorgeous glass flower beads from Temu and they look absolutely amazing, so let's turn them into a beautiful pair of earrings. I'll be using these head pins with a little ball on the end, along with these ear wires. Everything is stainless steel with gold plating. I've had them for quite a while now and honestly, I've had zero issues, no tarnishing, no discoloration, nothing. So I can totally recommend them. I've actually switched almost completely to stainless steel components lately. They just last so much longer and the quality is on another level. And I mean that honestly, it really makes a difference. So I also bought this little cute chain. It's also stainless steel. These jump rings unfortunately came all mixed up like this. A bit of mess, but it's fine, I will sort them out. It's not ideal, but that's part of the crafting life. And the most exciting thing, I finally got this one-step looper tool from Temu. I will put the price here on the screen, I can't remember, but it was cheap. I've already tested it and honestly it works so well, so I can definitely recommend it. You will find all the product links in the video description and if you use my code you will get an extra discount too. So first I prepare my flowers. I take a pin, put it inside and make a loop. And I think it looks very nice already, but I always like to give it a little extra twist with my pliers just to make sure everything is perfectly secure. So I prepare 8 of them this way. Honestly, this is so satisfying to use. I actually enjoy it. When I was making these little charms, I used to do all the loops with pliers. I kept telling myself for years that I needed to buy the one-step looper. And when I started working with those teeny 4mm flower beads, I finally hit my breaking point. I was fighting with the wire, wasting so much of it. So I finally got this one. I know it's not the original, but for the price, I thought let's give it a try and see if it actually works before investing in a real deal. I recommend holding the wire like this, otherwise it will shoot across the room. Okay, so I have 8 of them and I can continue. Now I cut a piece of wire, about 5 centimeters. And I also use these glass firepost beads for my stash. These are 6 millimeters. And I put the fire polished bead on the end of the chain and I close it with my pliers. Open 6mm jump ring, put on 2 flowers, 1 and 2. Then the other end of the chain, like this. Another 2 flowers, 1 and 2. And finally the ear wire. And close the jump ring. If there's still a tiny gap in your jump ring, just do a little wiggle motion while gently pressing the pliers towards each other. That will close the gap perfectly. Then I open 4mm jump ring and I add 2 flowers, 1 and 2. And I grab the earring upside down and I add it to the 4th link, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And close the jump ring. And now I add 2 more down here. And the last one. And that's it, the earrings are done. I love how simple yet elegant they turn out. If you'd like to make your own, don't forget to check the links in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, it really helps my channel grow and I'll be super grateful.